Today we'll see how we will work with the green screen, right? How to remove green screen and how to remove background and how to change background also. So first thing first, I will create a sequence, go to new sequence, and from here I will choose 1080 by 1920. Look at here, 1920 1080 and give name. Any name, for example, is my YouTube video, right? Just give YouTube video and create sequence first of all. Now you have to drag that video for which you want to remove the background. For example, I have two green screen videos. So first I will take this one because I shooted this video. Okay, just you can click and drag here. So that video will be dragged here. Now what I want to do, I want to remove all this green stuff. Now you can see a lot of detail here. So we want to make it clean, crystal clean we have to make it. So just little bit zoom I will do. Before removing, I can change the background also. I will create a new item and here I will take color matte, alright. And I want to have one background also. Click here and from here you can choose any of the background like this and click OK and OK. Then you have one background color matte. Okay, I will keep it down to that video. Just bring it up and that background will be down to this like. Now you have to apply one effect on this video. The effect is key effect and you will type ultra key effect. So in video effects, keying, and there is ultra key effect. So you have to drop this effect on the video clip which has green screen. Alright. As you dragged on the clip and here in effect controls you have the options for this. Alright. Don't scroll the mouse. Alright. So here you have this one. And ultra key effect, okay, which you have applied on this clip. So from here, key color, the color which you want to control or remove, you have to select that color. So you need to take this one, click here and just click on that color which you want to remove. Now you can see that color has been removed. Actually I have used the color background down here, that's why it's showing. I will move little bit here. Now you can see the background of the video has been removed. Now we have to do little adjustment with this, and this curtain is also coming. I can crop this video also till here so that then I can do it more precisely. One more effect you can use to crop any clip, any video. So crop, and from the right side I will crop my video, little bit look like this. And from left side also you can crop it. Left side you can also crop like this. Now I have cropped the video. Now we have better result, but still we have to do adjustment. So further adjustment, how you can do that? Just again you need to go in ultra key effect which you have applied. So we have removed this green color. So I will bring that background which I have used it so that I can see the clear result. Now you can see. If you double click on color matte, you can also change color. If you want to change any other color, just you can change as well. Now you can see it clearly. So what we want to do, we have to adjust this one. So click on this video clip and here we have matte correction. So just play with all this value. We have matte correction, go here, and transparency you can adjust like this. Alright, I will just look, if you will is all transparent, it will make all image transparent, the green color wherever it is. And I would suggest you go to setting and here we have one setting and it will automatically adjust everything. So instead of playing all these options, just go for aggressive. Look at here. It will do automatic setting for you and it's quite enough. We can adjust from here. We have pedestal. Just go here and just little bit do it like this. Yeah. Alright. Now I think it's almost we have done it. So you have saturation, luminous. You can just increase it like this. You can also, you want to change in saturation if you want to do saturation as well. Now you can see it has now here looks we have cropped video and when she is moving here is cropping as well. So we need to adjust little bit here because she is moving and come down in crop setting. Okay, and from left side we want, yes, now it's fine. Okay, now when you play.
Hello everyone, my name is Ne. I'm from Myanmar. Currently I did.
All right. If you have professional green screen video like this and that shoot it in an equal balance light, so what you need to do, if you want to apply this green screen effect to this video, okay, we can. How? Just go to this clip, all right, and copy that key effect. Right click and copy. Copy this effect from here and then move here and select this clip and right click on control panel and paste it. So that effects which you did there, so it will be pasted. But yes, it worked here, but little bit setting you have to do because the setting was not the same for the same clip. So that's how you can, if the clip are shooted on the same location, then you can copy paste also. But I will delete this one, delete it. I will do it separately. Again, you will go here and search ultra key effect and just drop it here. This time I will pick this green color. Wow, amazing, right? Now you can see because that is professional video and it's been shooted in balanced light. That's why no shadows behind. Now perfectly it's been removed. Now I want to change the video background. Before I have put it solid background behind this video. Okay, now I want to change with the video. So you should have another video like this and just drag down to it. Now you can see you have changed the background for this video look. Now what I want little blur. I want to blur this video so that it should look nice. To blur any clip, so search one effect which is called blur and I will use Gaussian blur to this clip, drag it here and then increase it like this, alright, like this. So you can increase and now look, right? Again little bit you can play with this, come down and here you have matte correction. So same you can do pedestal and like this. You have some shadows, you can play with the shadows, right, like this. And also transparency and matte cleanup. Yeah, this is also very good, matte cleanup. So choke you can just little bit, wait, yes, it will go a little bit inside. And soften, you can make it soften, yes, it's looking nice now. Contrast, alright, yes, you can control midpoint also. Then you can go also color correction, so you can also create color correction like this, alright, little bit dark and saturation as well, like this. So if you want any color background, alright, you can also use any color background here. So again I will bring this color matte which I have created and I will move this video background here. Now I have this video, look at here. So double click and change color of this. So here we have this color and but it's still green, no need this green. We'll go with, for example, any other color like this. Now you have it. So that's how you can change with the video background and also with a color. You can put also an image as well behind if you want to do image and you can blur that image as well.